India A won the toss and decided to field. Jaiswal got off to a good start. Ishwaran hung around for a bit. There was a middle order collapse, still a late order partnership. But the standout player there was really Mushir Khan, who was absolutely brilliant. And in the last session, the bat dominated the ball. Mushir Khan, only 50% of the job done.
29 नाबाद थे नवदीप सैनी.
Second new ball has been taken straight away. It was a single, they're stranded in the middle of the pitch. A miss, a great opportunity for a run out at both ends.
खलील को इसीलिए बुलाया था कि आप वहां से सिंगल रोकिए. तनुष कोटियां जब तक विकेट तक पहुंचते तब तक गेंद उनको छोड़ के जा चुकी थी.
Worked away fine before. And to make it worse, it's a no ball too.
यहाँ रन्स मिलेंगे. बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से पेस का इस्तेमाल किया यहाँ पे.
Just like that one.
यहाँ रन्स मिलेंगे.
He can do this as well. That's up in the air as well, and that's gone. That's in the gap.
Glorious drive to the offside. Now he's beginning to step on the gas here. He is beginning to unleash these shots here against the medium paces. And the finger goes up. And the batter has taken the review here.
There's a clear gap as the ball passes the bat on the left hand side screen. Roll it through. It is off the pads. It's a clear spike as the ball is on the pads. I don't need ball tracking. It is clearly missing the stumps. Going back to on-field umpire. You need to reverse the decision. You are on screen. Please make the signal.
It's a single. This time. Oh, sloppy work. There's an overthrow. 150 comes up for Mushir. The splendid innings. He's worked really hard. Shown a lot of character. Shown how he can play with the lower order.
रिव्यू ले लिया सीधा. मुशीर को लगता है कि ये उनके दस्ताने या बैट कहीं पर नहीं लगी.
Clear gap on the right hand side screen. Roll it through, roll it through. Satisfied, no bat involved. Can we go on to ball tracking, please? Starting with not out. Impact outside. Going back on field. I recommend you to reverse the decision. You are on screen.
अब बता सकता हूं मैं आपको कि मैं कदमों का इस्तेमाल कितना बढ़िया करूंगा.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that for timing. 2.5 hours of play gone. It's been all India B.
जब शुरुआत करी थी इंडिया बी के बल्लेबाजों ने आज सुबह, तब भी 7 विकेटें ही गिरी हुई थी. 202 था रन बोर्ड पर उस समय. स्कोर 290 फॉर 7. लंच के लिए जब दोनों बल्लेबाज वापस जाएंगे तब भी यही स्कोर है. और खुशी इसी वजह से है कि एक खिलाड़ी 42 पर बल्लेबाजी कर रहा है, वो है नवदीप सैनी 117 गेंदें खेल के, और दूसरा खिलाड़ी 174 पर है 290 7 विकेट के नुकसान पर. और गेंदबाजों के लिए ये मुकाबला अब और यहां से और लंबा दिखता हुआ.
Mushir Khan 174.
Goes big and he clears it comfortably enough. Goes for another one. There's a fielder coming underneath it. Is that the end of the partnership? Yes. A class success for the India A side and also for Kuldeep Yadav. The partnership broken. Riyan Parag takes it comfortably. An end of a terrific innings this from the young man. Mushir Khan dismissed for 181, 299 for 8. Yash Dayal is a new batter.
इन्होंने आते लगाया है दूसरी गेंद पे बड़ा शॉट.
And that's a good blow. And there it is. And he reaches his 50 with a cheeky shot, and that one goes past the boundary too. And he is delighted. What an extraordinary innings this has been. Minimum of effort to get a boundary. Edged and taken.
और इस बार है ना गेंद आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप नहीं थी और यश दयाल बिल्कुल खुल गए थे. अगर आप पांव पे नजर रखें बिल्कुल लेग स्टंप के बाहर की तरफ थे वो. और अच्छा कैच पकड़ा मयंक अग्रवाल ने. यश दयाल ने बनाए 10 रन 320 पे 9.
The number 11 batter is Mukesh Kumar. He walks out at the fall of Yash Dayal's wicket. And the ploy succeeds, finally. And Akash Deep picks up the 4th wicket. And that's the end of the India B innings. Navdeep Saini dismissed for 56.
लेकिन निश्चित तौर पर बहुत बढ़िया पारी खेली है नवदीप सैनी ने अपनी टीम के लिए. इसी वजह से 321 रन बनाए हैं इंडिया बी ने.
The end of the innings for 321. Top scorer being Mushir Khan on his debut. What a debut this has been for the young man.
खलील 2 सफलताएं उनको मिली थी. जायसवाल को भी आउट किया. लेकिन आकाशदीप क्या एफर्ट किया भाई. इन्होंने 27 ओवर डाले, 60 रन देके 4 विकेट.
Well, we see a classical player. He comes good. It'll be an afternoon that you will enjoy. Mayank Agarwal, Mukesh Kumar, more than a handy bowler. Doesn't want the single, Shubman Gill. He's extremely good through the offside.
रन्स मिलेंगे यहाँ पे और टाइमिंग देखिए कितनी बढ़िया थी यहाँ पे.
Step out is the way to play fast bowling these days. And the elegance of Shubman Gill. Oh, what a cover drive. Streaky, left of point. Again, room outside off stump. That's all Mayank Agarwal needs. Gorgeous. Anything Shubman Gill can do, Mayank Agarwal says, I can do as well.
4 रन. सिर्फ गेंद उठा के लाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी मुशीर खान को बाउंड्री से. चलिए 52 हो गए इस चौके के साथ. रुक जाएगी, रुकनी चाहिए. ओह बढ़िया एफर्ट पर 4 रन. पहली सफलता मिलती हुई है इंडिया बी को. नवदीप सैनी डिफेंस को ब्रीच करने में कामयाब, वो भी कप्तान शुभमन गिल का.
Shubman Gill was shaping to leave the ball, misjudgment on his part, and he has to depart. Shubman Gill is dismissed for 25. India A 57 for 1.
14 ओवर और पहली सफलता नवदीप सैनी. पहली सफलता के बाद कम से कम जो चाय का ब्रेक है ना वो अच्छा रहेगा. इंडिया भी 321 बोर्ड पर और पहली सफलता शुभमन गिल के रूप में लेते हुए 57 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर इंडिया ए.
He's 22 years of age. He's been in the news for good reasons in the recent past. It's looked really good, Mayank Agarwal. It's away from strike. Mayank Agarwal.
चार रन मिलेंगे.
He's looked good once again. No chance for the fielder in the deep. Big appeal and up goes the finger.
और अच्छा कैच, बहुत ही अच्छा कैच पकड़ा ऋषभ पंत ने. ये बल्ले पे लगी है बिल्कुल. ऋषभ पंत कमाल का वो लेग साइड पे कैच पकड़ते हुए. मयंक अग्रवाल अच्छे टच में थे, अच्छी बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे. 36 रन बनाए उन्होंने 66 पे 2.
KL Rahul comes out to bat. Super strike.
Gorgeous. What an effort! What an effort at second slip. Nitish Reddy, outstanding effort. These have to stick.
Nicely played through the offside, and that'll go to the boundary.
यहाँ रन्स मिलेंगे. चौका हो गया जी.
Driven through the offside, and he finds the gap as well. That'll run away past the boundary.
Marginally shorter in length. That's one of the scoring areas that he loves. Stayed low, made the adjustment well. Done for the day. Day 2. India B began the day with the 108 runs partnership. 321, a massive score from 94 for 7. Mushir, outstanding, a scintillating effort. He got good company from Navdeep Saini, getting a second half century. Akashdeep bowled well, very persistent with his line and length, and in reply lost Agarwal and Gill. Now Parag and KL Rahul have to do the bulk of the scoring because India A at the moment are trailing by 187 runs.